powerful herbal tea can support your heart, balance cholesterol, improve digestion, and naturally detox your entire body. Today I'm sharing a traditional Ayurvedic remedy made with Arjun tree bark, one of the most trusted herbs for heart health. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Before we begin, please like this video, subscribe, and comment below which country you're watching from. Your support truly helps my channel grow and encourages me to share more natural remedies with all of you. Benefits of Arjun Bark Herbal Tea. Let's explore the benefits in detail. Strengthens heart muscles and supports heart function. Arjun bark is traditionally known as the heart protector. It supports strong heart muscles, healthy blood circulation, and overall heart function. If you feel tired easily or want to support long-term heart health, this tea is extremely beneficial. Helps maintain healthy blood pressure. Arjun bark naturally supports balanced blood pressure. Lemongrass and garlic powder also help maintain smooth blood flow, reduces bad cholesterol, LDL, and supports good cholesterol. This herbal mix lowers bad cholesterol and supports healthy cholesterol balance. Ginger plus garlic plus Arjun form a powerful trio for heart wellness. Improves digestion and relieves gas, acidity and bloating with ajwain, carom seeds, mint, fennel, and ginger. This tea becomes a complete digestive tonic. It reduces heaviness, gas, acidity, constipation, and supports a healthy gut. Boosts metabolism and helps in weight management. Ajwain and ginger naturally increase metabolism and help burn fat. This makes the tea helpful for people who want to manage weight in a natural way. Detoxifies the body and cleanses the system. Lemongrass and mint flush out toxins from the body. This improves digestion, energy, and keeps the system clean. Reduces stress and improves sleep quality. Arjun bark gently calms the mind. A warm cup of this tea can help reduce stress and improve sleep quality. Boosts immunity and fights inflammation. Ginger, garlic, fennel, and mint support strong immunity and reduce inflammation. Regular consumption protects the body from infections and seasonal illnesses. Ingredients and exact quantities. Now that we understand the benefits, let's look at the ingredients you need for this herbal tea mix. These are the exact quantities you provided. Arjun tree bark, 500 grams, lemongrass, 200 grams, mint, pudina, 100 grams ajwain, 100 grams ginger powder, 100 grams garlic powder, 50 grams fennel seeds, saunf. Mix all these ingredients together and store them in an airtight glass jar. This quantity will last several weeks. And if you want to make a smaller batch, you can reduce all ingredients in the same proportion. That means the formula will stay balanced even if you prepare half or 1/4 of the quantity. How to prepare the tea. Preparing this tea is very simple. Add 1 teaspoon of the herbal mix into 2 cups of water. Boil it on low heat until it reduces to 1 cup. Strain and drink it warm. For best results, drink it once or twice a day. Morning and evening are the best times. Avoid sugar. If needed, you may add a few drops of honey, but only when the tea is warm. Precautions. Who can use and who should avoid. Safe for high BP, high cholesterol, weak heart support, gas and digestion problems, bloating, acidity, weight management, diabetics, without sugar. Avoid if pregnant or breastfeeding. Very low BP, using blood thinners. On strong heart medications, allergic to any herb. Always consult your doctor if you have serious medical conditions. If you found this remedy helpful, please like this video, subscribe, and comment your country name below. Your support means so much to me. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay natural, and stay blessed.